You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words in English that many get wrong, including from French, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This literally means in French behind, but generally refers to the rear or the rear end of somebody or an animal, the buttocks if you wish. In French it is said as derrière, in English derrière, derrière from French derrière. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.